South blues, a smooth cat like me got nothing to lose, cause I'm an outlaw. Hey, listen, this town ain't big enough for the two of us, my nigga. Come on. Now, if they want that heat, just come through and eat. I got a hot and ready place to knock you off your feet, just like a southpaw. But you caught me off guard with the way you stick and move. I saw you walking in and started straight rock the room with that activity. You got a bright future behind you, baby, I see. Lord have mercy. And then I walked up to you all clean and smooth, but said, will you be my symphony? Beverly, Beverly, B-E-V-E-R-L-Y. Oh, Beverly, Beverly, you got that something I wanna try. Oh, Beverly, Beverly, B-E-V-E-R-L-Y. Oh, Beverly, Beverly, I'm head over heels and I can't lie. She had a switch in her walk and the way she talked is like fresh smooth pavement running down the block. She straight shook me. Girl, you smoother than the waves on Redondo Beach, baby. I don't know what to tell you. She said you got good game, but I ain't that easy. Boy, you gotta pay to play. Stop trying to tease me, just book me. Here's my card, baby. Then she slipped a nice card in my top left pocket. She took my word and then she straight up rocked it like Tiffany's. You're pretty like a diamond, baby. I like that. I told her name your price and I won't think twice.